how to verify your Coinbase account. Now, verifying your Coinbase account is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is first of all launch the Coinbase app, and this is the kind of information that you will see. Now, first of all, to verify your account, you need to have your legal documents ready with you. If you do not have the documents, you will not be able to verify your information. So right here you can see verify your information option at the very top of the screen after you log in. When you tap on it, it will take you to the page where you can verify your account. Now, due to security reasons, the screen that you will see next might actually turn black in the video, but in my case I'm being able to see. To verify your identity, you will need a legal name, home address and date of birth, the last 4 digits of your SSN, and other options as such. And once you have done that, then you will be able to go ahead and then tap on the continue option right there. And when you tap on continue option, then you'll be able to follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. So this way you'll be able to verify your Coinbase account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.